Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another mini unboxing video, and this time it is from PINCHme. I got a couple of samples here, so I'm really excited to open them. So the first thing I'm going to open is this tiny little box here. I don't remember what it is. So this is what it looks like inside. It looks like a can of dog food. So it comes with a little card here. It just comes with a card of things that I have to do, like review and such. And they sent me the Purina Pro Plan Savor Grain Free Classic Adult Chicken and Duck Entree. This is what it looks like. I've never bought this type of dog food before, so hopefully my dogs like it because they're like super picky. I've never fed them duck before.
Because I know my dog Bimbo, he doesn't like lamb or salmon. And then Bartolo, his son, he likes eating chicken, beef, and all that, so.
We'll see. Hopefully they like duck. So I will try that out tonight. I will have them try that out tonight. Okay, now onto these little envelopes here. I'm going to start off with this one. Let's see what it is.
Oh shit.
So, it is just a sample of the Clorox Ultra Clean Disinfecting Wipes. This is what it looks like. It is a trial pack in the scent Lemon Twist. So I'm excited to try this out. Okay, now onto the next little envelope here. Okay, so the next thing I have here is, it comes with a little card.
Your exclusive product trial starts now.
And it is a Ester C. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's like a vitamin C for when you're sick. I've seen these before. I think my brother drinks these. So I'm gonna have to try it out, see if I like it. Okay, the last envelope.
Let's see what it is.
So they sent me PINCHme Creamy Deep Roasted Sesame Dressing and Marinade. This is what it looks like. I love trying out new dressings and marinades, so I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it tastes good. And it also comes with a little booklet of recipes, so that's pretty cool.
Hummus 2 ways, roasted vegetables and chicken salad bowl, turkey burger, marinated chicken with deep roasted sesame dressing, and sesame cream salmon pasta.
And they also sent me a coupon for a $1 discount. And here are the recipes. I'm definitely going to try some of these out. Hopefully I could make them.
They look so freaking good. I'm like hungry right now.
So yeah, that is everything that I received from PINCHme. If you guys want to receive free products and samples like me, you guys should definitely check them out. I will be leaving the link in the description box. They don't charge you for anything. It's completely free. And yeah, it's exactly like influencer. You just have to review and that's it. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.